It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So today, I got my first VoxBox, and this is an Influenster VoxBox. So if you're not familiar with Influenster, it's a product review and discovery app. It's a completely free program where you can become eligible to get free full-size products with the expectation that you'll review the items that you receive. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in signing up. They send you out a survey where you go through and answer a bunch of questions, and you might get picked to get a free VoxBox, which is what this is, and I got picked. So let's open it up and see what I got. I'm so excited. So there is a card included. I'm actually gonna leave this for later because this is gonna be a quick video. They sent me a Super Stay full coverage under eye concealer. Ooh, and it's supposed to last for 24 hours. Look at that. That looks so fun. It's in deep bronze, shade 65. It's good because I was a little nervous, like, what color are you sending me exactly? But you do take a survey and you actually pick out your own shades. Seems like it's going on smoothly. Alright, let's blend this out. I like it. I like how the concealer looks. It's like, I think the concealer worked really well. We got a Super Stay ink crayon, and it has a sharpener at the bottom. It's like a dark dusty pink. It's like barely even shows up on me. If you haven't guessed by now, I kind of like brighter colors. It's called Stay Exceptional. It's number 25. It doesn't really strike me as exceptional. It's just okay. Apparently like either $9.50 or $6.50 at Ulta. Doesn't cost that much, so that's good. Very muted. I would prefer something with a little bit more pizzazz. Accept a Dare in number 60. Very similar to the other one. It's a little bit darker. I get that it's a crayon, but I really don't like the pointy tip. I feel like you have to like dig in a little bit more than you would normally do. Although I like the color though. I'm digging this color. Accept a Dare. I'm all about it. I mean, the concept is cool. The feeling on your lips, not so cool. Like it's like a pointy tip on your lips as opposed to just like gliding on. So I don't know about that. Hustle and Heels 45. Yeah, I really don't like the crayon. It's just like digging into my lip. What do you think about the color? I don't think I'm a fan of this one. It's like red. I can't tell you how many red lipsticks I have. It's okay, but it doesn't like shock me. So Hustle and Heels is okay. Well, that's it. That's everything I got in my VoxBox. Bye.